Meaning of deca.
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 deca,
Deca. The prefix deca- is derived from the Greek word for 10. It is used to indicate a factor of 10 or 10 times greater. For example, a decathlon consists of 10 athletic events, and a decimeter is 1/10 of a meter. In chemistry, it represents a unit of measurement where 1 decamole equals 10 moles. Additionally, it can be used in various fields such as astronomy, mathematics, and music. Overall, the prefix deca- signifies a multiplication by 10, making it a useful shorthand in scientific and technical contexts.